If you are a service-based founder, agency, coach, or consultant, LinkedIn is the platform you need to be on. After running over 10,000 outreach campaigns on LinkedIn and serving over 1,000 businesses for LinkedIn lead generation, the strategies I'm going to share with you in this video are proven, tried, and tested to not just get likes on LinkedIn, but actually get leads. So in this video, I'm going to share my 5 practical ways to generate leads on LinkedIn, plus how to turn those leads into a 24/7 sales engine that converts them from leads into paying clients. And make sure you stay right until the end for common pitfalls around LinkedIn lead gen and mistakes you absolutely have to avoid. Okay, let's get into it. So first off, let's set the stage with what the entire big picture of the strategy is before I go into the practical how-tos. This is the flow that I recommend on LinkedIn. First, you offer some sort of free value to your audience. This could be a lead magnet, a free coaching call. When you give them that free value, you are going to collect their email and phone number. You're then going to send them to an automated nurture sequence and then get them on a call or sell them. So that is the 4-step flow that I recommend to go from LinkedIn to leads to sale. Now, here's a super important thing to keep in mind, and I always train my clients this. LinkedIn is not your funnel. LinkedIn is the traffic and relationship engine. You do not own the leads that you have on LinkedIn. So your goal should be to move them from LinkedIn onto your own platform, like your email list, because they really only truly become a lead once they are in your ecosystem. So keep that in mind, even as I run through these 5 how-tos on how to generate leads on LinkedIn. So here are 5 ways to generate leads on LinkedIn. The first one is to send your profile viewers to a lead magnet. Your profile has to be really well optimized, from your banner to your headline, down to your featured section and about section. Your profile should very clearly answer the questions: who you are, what you do, and how you help. When there is clarity on your profile, meaning the moment somebody lands, they know exactly how you can help them, it's really easy to get them to download your lead magnet or lead capture. So here are a few places that I recommend adding a lead magnet to your LinkedIn profile. First, you could add it to your featured section. Your featured section is the area of your LinkedIn profile where you can add links, media, videos, etc. It's a great place to showcase things like a lead magnet. If you see on my LinkedIn profile, I have our LinkedIn launch guide as one of the freebies that people can download when they land on my profile. So if somebody wants to level up on LinkedIn and they're looking for free help to do it, my profile shows who I help and how I help. They're going to click on that freebie. So think about what freebies you can offer on your profile to your ideal client, put them on your featured section, and even your about section. That's another great place to put it. Just mention that you have a free download or a free guide, a free gift that they can either DM you to grab it or visit the link in your featured section. So some of you may be thinking, okay, Cindy, what if I don't have a lead magnet? Where do I start? I always say keep it really simple. A 1-page checklist, a quick PDF, or a 10-minute training that solves one painful problem that your ideal client is facing. Create a capture page so that once the person enters their name and email, it'll automatically send them that free lead magnet. This is how we are moving people from LinkedIn, which we do not own, into our email ecosystem that we can now nurture and convert them. The second way to generate leads from LinkedIn is to add a custom button to your profile. Now, this is a premium LinkedIn feature, so you should have LinkedIn Sales Navigator or LinkedIn Premium to utilize this, but I highly recommend it. It is so worth the investment. Why is that? Having a custom button on your profile is amazing because anytime you make a post or even engage in DMs, that link will show up right underneath your name and headline. So people that are scrolling on LinkedIn or that view your profile can easily click that button and you can send them to your lead magnets or lead capture. I like to think about, if LinkedIn is where my ideal clients live and where they hang out, why not make it really easy for them to take the next step with me? If they have to go to your profile and search really deep to find any kind of free value or free lead magnet, trust me, they are not going to do it. So we want to make it really easy for them, and a premium custom button allows you to do just that. The third way to generate leads from LinkedIn is through outbound DMs. This is what's also known as outbound prospecting. Think about outbound as you going into your ideal client's DMs, starting a conversation, and then moving them to the next step in your funnel, which could be your free lead magnet. Me and my team love outbound DMs because they don't require us to perfect the LinkedIn algorithm or post hundreds of pieces of content just to be seen. I can have direct conversations with my ideal clients in their DMs, give them free value, and that's going to move them from LinkedIn into my ecosystem. But most people get outbound prospecting or outbound DMs on LinkedIn really wrong, which is why a lot of us think it's spammy or we hate getting pitch slapped. That's just because so many people are doing it wrong. There is a right way to do it. So if you want to generate leads from LinkedIn where people are interested in your offer or interested in your service, you could do a really simple outbound DM flow. First, you send your ideal client a connection request. Then, when they accept your connection request, you send them a quick note like, "Hey, so glad to be connected. Excited to keep up with you here." This just makes it friendly and opens the DMs to more conversation. You can then go in with a free value message. For example, I love to give something valuable to my new connections. I just put together this one-page cheat sheet that helps high-performing executives eradicate burnout in under 5 minutes. Would you like me to send it over? And once they say, yes, please send it over, that indicates a potential interest, a potential warm conversation. You send them your lead magnet, and now you've captured their information and can start to nurture them down the line. You could also send somebody from connection request, start a conversation, and send them directly to book a call with you to learn more about your product or service. The outbound pitch where you are sending somebody directly to book a call with you, there's a lot more nuances to that approach. I will link a video right below this so that you can learn more information if you want to go down that route. For the purpose of this video, we are going to keep it focused on sending them to free value, giving to your audience so that you can generate leads by providing value before we take them to the next steps in our sales funnel. Another important thing to remember here with outbound prospecting is you need to be doing enough volume of messages to see success with generating leads this way. So instead of doing 1 to 2 here and there, commit to doing 5 to 10 outbound connection requests or messages every single day. The more volume you are doing, the more potential leads you are going to get. The fourth way to generate leads from LinkedIn is through inbound lead generation. Think of inbound lead generation as your ideal clients coming to you. This happens by you actively posting content and being visible on the LinkedIn platform. You want to be actively posting content on LinkedIn. And not just any content, because a lot of people that blast generic content, AI written content on LinkedIn will get 0 to 1 likes on a post and no visibility and no leads. So it isn't just a volume game. You want to be strategic on the type of content that you post. Answer questions that your ideal client is already asking. Make it easy for them to engage with your content. For example, you could put a 1-line call to action at the end of a post that says something like, "Have you ever dealt with this? If you have, leave me a comment down below." By creating this kind of meaningful content, not only will your ideal clients start to engage with your posts, you will also see them start to click your lead magnets and want to take the next steps with you because you've positioned yourself as an expert in that field. When people see you as the authority and the go-to name in any niche, they start to be attracted to you and want to work with you. So content and showing up on LinkedIn has to be part of your strategy if you want to generate leads from the platform. In your content, you can also promote your free offers like your lead magnets or free downloads. Create a post and tell people to comment if they want access to that free value. Not only will that boost your engagements, so the visibility and impressions on your post will go up, you are also now getting people to download your free offers and go from LinkedIn into your ecosystem. The fifth way to generate leads from LinkedIn is to use comments to build relationships. Comments are one of the biggest growth hacks on LinkedIn, and they have to be a part of your strategy if you want to generate leads from the platform. Really simply, Comments increase your visibility. When you make a post, sometimes only your first-degree connections are going to see it, people that you are directly connected to. But when you comment on other people's posts, your comment will show up to their audience as well. That means more eyeballs onto your profile. And the more eyeballs you are getting on your profile, the more likely you are going to get leads and generate sales from LinkedIn. So you want to leave thoughtful, value-driven comments on other people's posts. Identify where your ideal client is. What posts are they engaging and commenting on? And then you do the same and leave a comment. You can even comment on your ideal client's posts. That's a great way to stay visible with them. As you are leaving meaningful comments, people are going to stop and think, who is this? They're going to click your profile, they're going to check you out, and if they are a fit, meaning an ideal client, they're going to want to take the next steps with you, doing things like downloading your free lead magnet. This is a way you've tapped into using comments as a strategy for lead generation. So those are the 5 ways that you can generate leads on LinkedIn. But here's the thing. Remember, I mentioned you do not own your leads on LinkedIn. If they are still in your DMs or they haven't submitted their information, you haven't taken the next steps, they are owned by LinkedIn. We now need to get them into your ecosystem. Platforms can change, algorithms can shift, which is why we do not own these platforms, but we do own our email lists, and we want to ensure that we move our potential leads on LinkedIn into our email lists. And that's where tools like OmniSend come in. OmniSend is an email and SMS marketing platform trusted by over 150,000 businesses. It is powerful without being clunky, which means you don't need a PhD or even to be an exceptional marketer to build sophisticated automations that are going to drive sales to your business. So let me show you exactly how I would use it to turn leads that I generate from LinkedIn into a 24/7 nurture engine. So what we're going to do is we are going to create an account on OmniSend, sign up with our information, and then we are going to create an automation. I call this a welcome sequence. That means the moment somebody downloads one of my free lead magnets or free value offers, I'm going to send them a series of emails that are going to not only deliver the free value that they want, but are also going to nurture them over the next few days or weeks with the goal of converting them one of 2 ways. One, directly to a booked call with me and my team, or on the other route, directly to a sale. Maybe you are selling a digital offer and sending them directly to a landing page just makes sense. If you are selling more of a consulting or agency service, you want to prompt them to book a call with you and your team. So what I love about OmniSend is we can really easily create a welcome sequence in minutes. They have their preset templates already here. I just have to click on the automation, build out my email sequence, right? Add in my information, and we have a complete automation sequence created in minutes. Here's how I like to segment my automation when I'm delivering free value to my audience. So first, the moment they sign up, we're going to deliver that lead magnet. Then on day 1, we're going to share a story that builds connection. So this could be a case study of somebody that, say, went through my program or utilized my service and how they came out on the other side. I want to share something that's really going to build a connection so they can think, I could see myself in that person's shoes. Day 3, so we're leaving 2 days, I want to share another case study, but more specifically, sharing very tangible results. Results speak for themselves. And when we can demonstrate metrics and very tangible results to our ideal clients, that builds trust and authority, and it's taking them step by step closer to becoming an engaged lead and an engaged potential client. Day 5 is where I want to do a clear call to action to take the next step with me. That could be to book a call, or as I mentioned, to go directly and download one of my products or services. And here's the game changer, one of the things that I love, which is segmentation. That means I can send different emails to my list depending on what action they took. Maybe I want to follow up specifically to somebody who opened the email, those that haven't opened it yet, those that clicked the link, and those that did it. I can segment my lists and send them very custom emails depending on how they've engaged with my content. This is powerful. If you want to check out OmniSend and see how it can help your business, click the link in the description of this video and use my discount code Cindy30 to get 30% off your entire subscription. Thank me later. So we're using those 5 steps to generate leads on LinkedIn, removing them off of LinkedIn into our ecosystem, which is our email or SMS list. And now this is the last step, which is very often the missing piece that I see so often when people are marketing and generating leads from LinkedIn. And that is nurture and follow up. Ladies and gents, if you are not following up on your leads and prospects, you are missing out on so many opportunities. Honestly, there are thousands in sales that are waiting for you to grab just by following up. So it has to be part of your strategy. If, for example, somebody grabs your freebie or they raise their hand in the DMs, you send them the free offer and then you go silent. Have you followed up to see if they got access? Do you know if they have any questions after reading the freebie? Why are we not following up and continuing the conversation, especially when it comes to outbound DMs? If you have sent your prospect a message and haven't heard back, you need to be following up. Maybe they are not as active on LinkedIn as you are. Maybe they just missed your message. Maybe they were about to reply but forgot to hit send. Whatever the reason is, it is your role and your job to ensure that you are actively following up on the prospects in your pipeline. So make sure you are following up on LinkedIn, but even in your email or SMS platform. Here are a few ways that you can embed nurture and follow up to create that 24/7 sales engine. If somebody opened your email but didn't click, follow up with a different angle, maybe extra education or another resource that attacks the same problem from a new perspective. If they clicked but didn't book or buy, send a reminder with social proof. Remember, social proof beats any kind of information anytime. So use testimonials, case studies, screenshots to build trust and confidence. If they didn't open any email at all, resend that email with a new subject line or a new hook. People are busy, not necessarily uninterested. So that is how you generate leads from LinkedIn and turn it into a 24/7 sales engine. Utilize these tips to start to build your LinkedIn visibility, generate leads consistently, and revenue.
Oh, and one more thing, huge thanks again to OmniSend for sponsoring today's video and making this content possible. If you haven't checked them out yet, the link is in the description of this video.
If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. It helps so much. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel for more videos like these. I talk all things LinkedIn and LinkedIn marketing, and I don't want you to miss a beat. Okay, this is Cindy Dodd. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.